I am JL Verma. Earlier I was General Manager Geology, and nowadays I am exploration geologist in groundwater exploration, and I am working as a practitioner geohydrologist in Madhya Pradesh and advising to all India PKWT team and geophonics also, and simultaneously ADMT is also been considering for exploration of our groundwater. The basic principle of this earlier in resistivity survey, where the resistance was a main component for the exploration of the groundwater, where the each rocks is having a different type of the resistivity. So based on this resistivity, then we get a survey on the field and we do mapping properly, make it some graph, logarithm graph is there, and where we found some curves where the minimum resistivity is there, so more porosity will find there and you will get the groundwater. Simultaneously, nowadays the electromagnetic frequency is being developed by the scientists of Europe and other places, and some good marketing people they marketed as a PKWT, Geophonics, ADMD, Matrix, or so many companies are adopted this of the electromagnetic frequency, and nowadays it is being used in groundwater survey. Now you see the fire that in front of your area, this projection is there. I will show you.
0086-731-8406-6116.
Indications. These are the advertising of the different companies, and we are also having the PKWT, and I explored 70 to 80 wells in Madhya Pradesh, in Indore, nearby Indore districts and Dhar districts, and I got the 100% success with this tool. Simultaneous Geophoenix also a good tool for exploration of groundwater, where you will get the 3D pictures where this water is there in between the rocks, and you can identify. Simultaneously, some more you will get in PKWT. It is giving a deep side with the process, original curves, process curves, profile, original profile, and process profile. These chart profiles generated in this PKWT, and you will get this type of the structure. This is the browser. These are the structure. You will get the symptoms over here. This is the deep side, and you are getting the symptoms. It is a very porous formation over here. It is less formation. It is a hard formation. It is a medium formation. So you will identify the things and you will get the result with this deep. These are the high peaks. These are the more resistance, more frequency. So these are the harder rocks, and rest of the things you are finding the dips. These are the portions where you can get the groundwater. See, this is second profile line, and you are getting this low frequency area. This is the low frequency area. This is original curves, and these are the groundwater point, and we are drilling over here. These are the red one is the hard rock. This yellow is the moderate, and these are the lighter one. So we can identify this is a good sections for getting the groundwater. Simultaneously, how we will get the basically this groundwater? First, we have to identify the area where the deeps are more, where the inclined strata are there, where the actually the level of the groundwater is going toward the slope side, The basic principle of water is that it migrates from a top to bottom sides. I mean, higher side to lower side. Where the oil in oil exploration, it goes from through buoyancy principle. Water is through gravity principle. So gravity principle is for related to groundwater, as well as this gravity against the gravity. The buoyancy is related to basically oil exploration. So whenever you go to the downside, softer place is there. Suppose in our MP is a basically basaltic area, Maharashtra, central Maharashtra. It is a basalt area. You will not get a primary porosity. You will get a secondary porosity. I mean to say, what is the meaning of the secondary porosity? Due to cracks, fractures, foldings, folding downward side and fractured. Water percolate there and accumulated beneath the surface. So these are the area. Whereas in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Bangalore side, these are the very hard rocks having a granite as well as the diorites as well as the charnokites. These are the metamorphic as well as primitive Precambrian rocks are there, where you will get the brick fractures. Brick fractures you will get, and because of that fractures, the water come into side and percolate and accumulated buildup. The maximum depth of this area is below 900 meters, 2600 meters. South says 1600 feet. So at least 600 meter you will get this type of the water. And I found this in Jabambe, my friend is there. They are getting a very shallow, 30 meters, 40 meters, maximum 50 meters. So you have to be very cautious about the exploitation. These are the things. You see how this operation is going on below, before in our projector. This is PKWT 500 and this is projecting. So it is filled, it takes time. Whereas the one geophonics is also coming. I will take the lectures, and this is also good one. IDMT is good one. Both are having the same principle: frequency analysis, electromagnetic frequencies, and this electromagnetic frequencies is being used now to locate the water at moon as well as on Mars. So if we can find out the water at Mars, why not on Earth? Though our rates are very encouraging, and these are the operations going on. You can see my lecture is continued, as well as you will find the operation below before you will be getting in projector. So my dear friend, you give the opportunity and you will find this is the basic funda of the groundwater. But my request is there. Now the scarcity of water is there. Oil you will find only, and you cannot generate. But water, if well is dry, you can keep it, recharge it, and if you go through recharge procedures, you will find that you will be plenty of water, and you can irrigate well. One in Andhra Pradesh, one village is there where one geologist, hydrogeologist, he is working there, and he has collected so whole village, and 40,000 well he is charged it through water recharging system, and they got the whole village is irrigated. Nowadays they are taking 3 to 4 crops. So my request is there, whenever you go for the drilling, you go for drilling as well as for recharging the well. Your old wells, I request you, don't close it. You make it some pit. You consult some geologist. You consult to me. I will give my telephone number. My telephone number is there, 88-390-29273, Indore. You consult me. then I can say you how to go for water recharging. You recharge it properly. You say to the all villagers and say, please go for the water recharging, so that your area, your all area will be irrigated. Water you have, you my request is that now the water table of the regional water table should be high, should be at a surface level or below surface level. Then only you will get the good quantum of water. So it is my personal request with two hands up with this one. Please go for recharging and explore the groundwater in a precise way, consciously, with cost effective, so that your drilling cost will be reduced. Thank you very much.